Hello, my friends, Audrey here. I hope you are all well. I have my 5 Hoyas right here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you my top 5 favorite Hoya of the spring 2025. Let's start it. First is this Hoya Coronet Silver. It's one of my recovering Hoya that I have had this Hoya for many years. This year is fun as a girl, so it's definitely jumped right into my top 5 of this spring. And look at the leaves, it's so beautiful. I love the silver patch on the leaves. You can see right in here. It's such a beautiful Hoya, and I'm hoping it will grow beautiful just like the black, my Hoya Coronet black. I'm hoping this can grow like that, and then I'll put them on 2 corners of my shelf. It will look really beautiful. So yeah, this one has a lot of time to catching up, but it started to grow, so I'm really excited about this one. Next, my Hoya Gel Splash is also a silver splash Hoya. I think most of my Hoya on today's list is actually all silver splash. So this is probably the trend of my favorites for this year. But look at the leaf, it's so beautiful. I also love the shapes of the leaf. It's almost look like a oval or rectangle kind of edge, especially on those 4 leaves. This is also my second plant. The first one died off on me, but since I got this cutting starting last year, it has not disappointing. It just keeps growing and looks really beautiful. Of course, it's still a small cutting at this point, but at least it's growing. So I'm hoping I can get this one into a big Hoya. It does require a lot of water, as you can see right now. My Hoya is kind of all thirsty, especially this one is curling up the leaves. It definitely needs a good drink. After this video, I'm actually going to water all my plants. Next is this Hoya Patio ladder. It's definitely growing out to be one of my top favorites. Look at the leaf and look at how fast it has been growing. I mentioned many times I got this plant from last year as a small cutting or small plant. I don't remember, but look at this. No longer a small plant anymore. It keeps growing. It definitely needs a good drink. Look at this coral leaves right in here. This one needs a really good drink of water. But the leaf is beautiful. I love the veining on the leaf. It's such a pure veining. There's no much splash, and then you can see inside every tiny little thing, the veining on the leaves. Such a pure leaves veining. In all my Hoya collection, I think this one is probably one of the most pure ones. So that's another reason I love this Hoya. Next is my Hoya Sunrise. Look at this sunstressed leaf, it's so beautiful. It has been on my top favorites for a long time for a really good reason. If you know my struggle with my Hoya Sunrise, the old one, and then now with this is a replacement, is no I have no struggle at all. So yes, if some Hoya, I guess it's just, you just get a bad plant or really a struggle plant. If it's really become a hard time for you, just buy replacements like I did with this plant, and life get easier when you get this plant instead of the other one. But yes, I love those leaves. It's cute little leaves right in here. Actually, I feel this leaf is bigger than was expected. Look at the size of this leaves. It's definitely bigger. So I guess my Hoya Sunrise is really happy, and it has not stopped flowering for me since this spring. This is the last flower that's still staying here. The rest of the peduncles kind of stopped flowering, but yes, don't mind it at all. Hopefully it will give me more flowers. Last, the Hoya Welbor Gray. This is definitely not a surprise for all you guys. You know how much I love this Hoya. Look at these leaves. They're so beautifully patched in different way. And here's the new leaves right in here, and this one has been growing crazy. Look at this one right in here, and even on the other end there's some growing point. I think this is one of the easiest Hoya, in my opinion. It's really easy to grow, really easy to root. The only thing I would say is the winter time, this one does not like a change in the temperature, especially if you have a really beautiful, really good morning sun and then it went down to below zero at nighttime. This one started to rot really bad, and I lost several cuttings for past several winters until this winter when I put this one in the undergrowing light. No fussy at all, just keeps dormanting a little bit, and now in the springtime started to grow, and just you can see the branches everywhere. So yes, this is definitely my favorite so far, has been for many years and still my favorites. So here's my top 5 my favorite Hoya of this spring 2025. I hope you all enjoy it. Maybe you can list some of your favorite Hoya. I'm not really wanting to encourage any new plants, but I would like to see what's your favorite plants in your collection. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Happy growing!